Picture this: a creature so adaptable that the more humans try to eliminate them, the faster they multiply. A predator so successful it's conquered every major city in North America, from the concrete jungle of Los Angeles to the bright lights of New York City. Meet the coyote, North America's most cunning and resilient carnivore. These remarkable animals aren't just surviving in our modern world, they're thriving in ways that have left scientists astounded. Check out these 25 fascinating facts about coyotes and discover their most impressive skill at the very end. Fact 1. Speed demons. Coyotes can sprint at speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. That's faster than a gold medalist's top speed. They can also cruise comfortably at 20 miles per hour for long distances, making them formidable endurance runners. Their exceptional speed comes from specially adapted leg muscles and a streamlined body shape that allows them to move with incredible efficiency. Even more impressive, they can maintain these high speeds while making sharp turns and sudden stops, a skill that makes them incredibly successful hunters. Fact 2. Multiplying under pressure. In a stunning display of biological adaptation, coyote populations actually increase when humans try to control their numbers. When coyotes are heavily hunted, their reproductive rates soar. Females breed at an earlier age, have larger litters, and a higher percentage of females in the population give birth. This remarkable ability, known as compensatory reproduction, means that killing coyotes often backfires, resulting in even more coyotes in the long run. Fact 3. Super canine hybrids. In a plot twist worthy of a sci-fi novel, a new canine has emerged in the last century. Coywolves, or eastern coyotes, are a hybrid species resulting from the interbreeding of coyotes, wolves, and domestic dogs. These animals, which can be up to 40% larger than western coyotes, now dominate much of the northeastern United States and eastern Canada. They combine the wolf's strength and hunting prowess with the coyote's adaptability and the dog's lack of fear towards humans, creating a super canine uniquely suited to thrive in both wild and urban environments. Fact 4. Ultimate survivors. From Death Valley to Alaska's tundra, coyotes thrive in extreme environments by adjusting their diet, behavior, and social structure. They can alter their hunting patterns and metabolic rates to survive with minimal resources, and modify their activity patterns to avoid human contact while exploiting new opportunities. Fact 5. Nature's musicians. Coyotes possess a complex language of 11 different vocalizations, each with specific meaning. A single coyote can create the illusion of a pack by rapidly switching between calls. Scientists have identified regional dialects among different populations, suggesting cultural learning in their communication. Fact 6. Night vision specialists. Their eyes can see 5 times better than human eyes in darkness, thanks to the tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer that gives light a second pass through their retina. Combined with enhanced motion detection and superior peripheral vision, this makes them lethal nighttime hunters. Fact 7. Weather-ready design. Their double coat system includes a dense undercoat for insulation and water-repelling guard hairs, allowing them to sleep comfortably in snowstorms. The spring molt happens rapidly, with birds often using the shed undercoat for nest building. Fact 8. Loyal partnerships. Mating for life. Coyote pairs stay together for up to 8 years, or until death. They share hunting duties, defend territory together, and even mourn when one partner dies. Their coordinated hunting becomes more efficient over time as they learn each other's strategies. Fact 9. Smart problem solvers. In experimental settings, coyotes have demonstrated remarkable problem-solving abilities, figuring out complex latch mechanisms, and learning from observation. They've been observed using tools such as pushing floating objects to reach food. Fact 10. Sophisticated social structure. Packs consist of an alpha pair and previous year's offspring. This cooperative breeding system includes older siblings hunting for younger ones, pack members taking turns guarding pups, and complex social bonds spanning multiple generations. Fact 11. Versatile hunters. Their hunting techniques range from solo mouse catching to coordinated deer hunting. The mousing technique, where they plunge through snow using sound to locate prey, has an 80% success rate. When hunting in groups, they use sophisticated strategies like decoy tactics. Fact 12. Urban adaptability. City coyotes have learned to use traffic patterns, artificial lighting, and even subway tunnels. They time their activities to avoid humans while exploiting urban resources, showing remarkable behavioral plasticity in human-dominated landscapes. Fact 13. Ecological engineers. Their presence affects entire ecosystems. Areas with healthy coyote populations show better controlled rodent populations and more diverse wildlife communities. They help maintain balance by controlling mesopredator populations, like foxes and cats. Fact 14. Territorial sophistication. Coyotes maintain territories through an intricate system of scent marking and vocalizations. They create scent posts that communicate detailed information about territory occupants, including age, sex, and reproductive status. Fact 15. Disease controllers. By controlling rodent populations and removing carrion, coyotes help limit the spread of diseases like Lyme disease and hantavirus. Their presence in ecosystems has been linked to reduced disease transmission among wildlife populations. Fact 16. Multi-talented predators. Beyond their land-based hunting, coyotes can swim across 2-mile stretches of water, climb 15-foot trees, and even fish in shallow waters. Some coastal populations have learned to harvest shellfish during low tide. Fact 17. Natural medicine. Coyotes have been observed self-medicating with specific plants when ill, a behavior known as zoopharmacognosy. They also instinctively clean wounds with their antibacterial saliva and eat certain plants to purge parasites. Fact 18. Advanced learning. They demonstrate remarkable ability to learn from experience and pass knowledge to offspring. Urban coyotes teach their pups traffic crossing strategies, safe routes, and food-finding techniques specific to their territory. Fact 19. Climate change adapters. As climate patterns shift, coyotes have shown exceptional ability to adjust their breeding times, territory ranges, and hunting patterns. They're one of few species actively expanding their range during global warming. Fact 20. Seed dispersers. Their diverse fruit diet and wide-ranging behavior make them important seed dispersers, helping maintain plant diversity. They can process and disperse seeds from over 40 different plant species, creating natural corridors of plant distribution. Fact 21. Cultural significance. In Native American traditions, coyotes appear in hundreds of stories as complex characters embodying wisdom about survival and adaptation. These cultural narratives often contain accurate observations about coyote behavior and ecology. Fact 22. Pack dynamics. Coyote packs demonstrate sophisticated decision-making processes, often voting on group activities through specific vocalizations and body language. Research suggests they reach consensus through complex social interactions. Fact 23. Memory masters. They can remember human faces, specific locations, and past experiences for years. This exceptional memory helps them navigate vast territories and adapt their behavior based on past encounters. Fact 24. Resource managers. Coyotes actively manage their territory's resources, often rotating hunting grounds to prevent prey depletion and adjusting pack size based on available resources. This sophisticated resource management helps ensure long-term survival. Now the one we've all been waiting for. Fact 25. Mathematical minds. Recent studies have shown that coyotes can count up to 5 and understand simple arithmetic. This numerical competence likely helps them in hunting and assessing pack sizes of rival coyotes. In controlled experiments, coyotes have demonstrated the ability to differentiate between groups of objects and even show understanding of basic addition and subtraction. They use this ability in the wild to make sophisticated decisions about whether to fight or flee from other coyote groups and to assess whether they have enough pack members present to attempt hunting larger prey. Conclusion. From their remarkable adaptability to their complex social lives, coyotes continue to surprise and impress us. These resilient, intelligent, and versatile animals have not only survived but thrived alongside human expansion, proving themselves to be true masters of adaptation. Whether you see them as cunning tricksters, vital ecosystem managers, or simply fascinating wild neighbors, one thing is clear: coyotes are here to stay, and they have much to teach us about resilience, adaptability, and coexistence in a rapidly changing world. The next time you hear that haunting howl, remember you're listening to one of nature's greatest success stories.